Wash the vegetables thoroughly. Wash the vegetables thoroughly. Peel the potatoes carefully. Peel the potatoes carefully. Chop the onions into small pieces. Chop the onions into small pieces. Slice the tomatoes thinly. Slice the tomatoes thinly. Grate the cheese over the bowl. Grate the cheese over the bowl. Mix the ingredients well. Mix the ingredients well. Measure 1 cup of flour. Measure 1 cup of flour. Add a pinch of salt. Add a pinch of salt. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Whisk the eggs until they are fluffy. Whisk the eggs until they are fluffy. Heat the pan on medium flame. Heat the pan on medium flame. Pour some oil into the pan. Pour some oil into the pan. Spread the oil evenly. Spread the oil evenly. Fry the onions until they turn golden brown. Fry the onions until they turn golden brown. Stir the mixture gently. Stir the mixture gently. Cover the pot with a lid. Cover the pot with a lid. Boil the water for 5 minutes. Boil the water for 5 minutes. Steam the vegetables until they are soft. Steam the vegetables until they are soft. Grill the chicken on both sides. Grill the chicken on both sides. Bake the cake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Bake the cake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Sprinkle some pepper on top. Sprinkle some pepper on top. Squeeze the lemon juice over the salad. Squeeze the lemon juice over the salad. Spread the butter on the bread. Spread the butter on the bread. Pour the milk into the batter. Pour the milk into the batter. Mash the potatoes until smooth. Mash the potatoes until smooth. Blend the fruits to make juice. Blend the fruits to make juice. Add a teaspoon of sugar. Add a teaspoon of sugar. Knead the dough until it is soft. Knead the dough until it is soft. Toss the salad gently. Toss the salad gently. Layer the lasagna sheets in the tray. Layer the lasagna sheets in the tray. Wash the dishes after cooking. Wash the dishes after cooking. Wipe the kitchen counter. Wipe the kitchen counter. Dry the utensils with a clean towel. Dry the utensils with a clean towel. Sweep the floor if there are crumbs. Sweep the floor if there are crumbs. Put the leftover food in the fridge. Put the leftover food in the fridge. Dispose of the vegetable peels in the bin. Dispose of the vegetable peels in the bin. Serve the food on a plate. Serve the food on a plate. Garnish the dish with coriander leaves. Garnish the dish with coriander leaves. Place the bowls on the table. Place the bowls on the table. Pour the soup into a bowl. Pour the soup into a bowl. Cut the bread into slices. Cut the bread into slices. Taste the food to check the seasoning. Taste the food to check the seasoning. Share the meal with everyone. Share the meal with everyone. Let's try making something new today. Let's try making something new today. Be careful while handling the knife. Be careful while handling the knife. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn. Don't forget to preheat the oven. Don't forget to preheat the oven. Let's clean up as we cook. Let's clean up as we cook. Great job! This dish smells amazing. Great job! This dish smells amazing. You're doing really well. Keep it up. You're doing really well. Keep it up.